Hello. Today, you will study about multiplying decimals with counting numbers. What are counting numbers? These are the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. What are decimal numbers? They are numbers with decimal point like 1.2, 3.15, or 2.43. These are decimal numbers. And then another thing here is about decimal places. When we say decimal places, these are the digits after the decimal point. Let's say 1 decimal place. So here, 0.2. This is the decimal point. That is the digit after the decimal point. And there is only one digit 2. So 0.2 is a decimal number with 1 decimal place. Another is 12.3. This is the point. That's the digit, 12.3. Or 3.5. The point and the digit 5. Or we could say there are 2 decimal places. When we say 2 decimal places, there are 2 digits after the decimal point, like the decimal number 4.08. This is the point and there are 2 digits, 0 and 8. So this is a decimal number with 2 decimal places. Another example is 3.75. This is the point. These are the 2 digits after the decimal point. And another is 10.36. This is decimal point. These are the 2 digits after the decimal point. We could also have 3 decimal places. When we say 3 decimal places, these are decimal numbers with 3 digits after the decimal point, like 0.128 or 12.793 or 5.316. These are numbers, decimal numbers with numbers of decimal places. Now, today I will give you an example on how to multiply decimal numbers. Say the number is 243 times 8. So these are whole numbers. My first example, 8 times 3 is 24. So write 4 here and carry 2. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Carry 3. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 3 is 19. So the answer is 1,944. My first example are whole numbers, counting numbers. Now, number 2, we will start with multiplication of counting number and a decimal number. Here, 8 times 3 is 24. Carry 2. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Carry 3. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 3 is 19. This time, we will not write comma yet, but we will first count the number of decimal places. So here we have 0.3. We have 1 decimal place. So in our answer, count also 1 digit. 1 and write the point. So here the answer is 194.4. Let us continue with number 3 example. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry 2. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Carry 3. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 3 is 19. Then, we will count how many decimal places are there. This is the decimal point, 1, 2. There are 2 decimal places. So, in our final answer, we'll also count 2 digits. 1, 2, and then write the point there. And the last example is number 4. We have here 0.243 times 8. There are 3 decimal places. They are 2, 4, and 3. Let us multiply. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry 2. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Carry 3. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 3 is 19. Carry 1. 8 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. And then, we'll count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3. And then from our answer, count also 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3 point. So the answer is 1.944. It's your turn now.